Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add volumetric ambient occlusion to your trees. This is the leaf texture. As you can see, the default texture is very flat. We want to add fake ambient occlusion to this leaf texture. As you can see, I have alpha channel here. Now I can easily paint a black layer and use overlay or soft light. Okay, now we have a bit volumetric. Now I want to add more volumetric, so duplicate this channel. Save. As you can see, we have a very beautiful fake ambient occlusion. You can add more. As you can see, we have a fake ambient occlusion without post-processing. Our trees now looks more volumetric and ready for use without baking lighting. You can control and the intensity by here. I'm sorry, soft light. As you can see, we can easily control the intensity by using this layer opacity option. What happens? Everything looks good. I hope this video be useful to you.